In Tallinn we went to the gun range, and that's called Gun Garage, as you can see here. And you pick a package. They have, like you see, the starter package and all kinds of different packages. And the one that we picked was the couple's significant other package, and you'll see here in a second. These are what's on the list down below is what you get in your package, right? The Wild West and so on, the Soviet package. Now this is the one that we picked up here. The kids took a different one, but we took this one. You share your ammo and your guns, right? So this is what you get. So now this one, the Ruger 22 is no big deal. It's just a 22, but it's nice. That's part of the package. It's good for if someone that haven't shot before and stuff to start out with. So that's the Ruger. And this one there is a Ruger 1022 takedown. So they're all fun. They're all fun to shoot. But now this one was probably one of my favorites, if not the favorite. The CZ Scorpion. That was fun to shoot. And the Glock 17. No, nothing special there, but like I said, they're all fun. And this one, I enjoyed shooting this one, the VAR-15. That one felt nice. And this one here, this one was right up there, probably the second best, or if not the best. I can't make my mind up. But folks, that's what you get when you go. It's a wonderful place, very good instructors, and you can pick the different packages, and it was a blast. Yeah, it sure was.
very sensitive because the gunpowder is really dirty.